kita, sir. Mr. Chair, patay yan. Akong bahala dyan. Mga ganun usually.
Mr. Chair,
Tatapon ko sa helicopter yan.
Mr. Chair, naniniwala ba si General Wilkins na rhetoric lang yon? Naniniwala kayong rhetoric lang yon?
Yung Dumoy, Mr. Chair, is...
Hindi, binanggit mo rhetoric eh.
yun
So,
nga.
alam mo yung utak ng dating Pangulo?
Mr. Chair, I'm talking about Dumoy Laboratory.
You are talking about what the President said.
Doon sa Dumoy Laboratory, Mr.
Dali
Chair.
lang. Pinanggit kanina eh, ni Congresswoman Luistro eh. Pinakita sa iyo yung video eh. Nakita ron na ubos ko talaga. You were not referring to Dumoy. You were referring to the statement of the former president.
Mr.
And you said it is just rhetoric. Rhetoric lang ba yun?